15 to 20% cost advantage vs imports, U.S. automated manufacturing opportunity. Dear investor, I'm reaching out with a concise opportunity that may be highly relevant to your investment focus on resilient U.S. industrial growth. We are launching a fully automated power cord manufacturing facility designed to replace imports with a lower cost, faster, and more reliable domestic supply model. Why investors are paying attention? 15 to 20% lower cost than imported products. 7-day delivery vs typical multi-week lead times. Automated production with near zero labor risk. Strong demand driven by reshoring and tariff dynamics. Clear path to stable EBITDA and long-term equity value. Snapshot. Capex, $44 million US. Equity raise, $26 million US. EBITDA potential, $40 million US by year 10. This is a straightforward industrial scale-up with tangible assets, measurable demand, and a defined profitability ramp, not a speculative technology play. If this opportunity is of interest, I would be happy to forward the detailed deck for your review. Thank you for your time and consideration. Pitch deck structure. Slide 1, Title: Executive Summary. Title: U.S. Automated Power Cord Manufacturing, Import Replacement Strategy. Content: Mission: build a vertically controlled, closed-loop automated power cord manufacturing base in North America. Key advantages: lower cost than imports 15 to 20%, superior quality, UL certified, 7-day delivery, automated production with zero human error. Founder: 30 years of industrial automation and production management experience. Capex: $44 million US, 8 high-speed production lines, Texas facility. Visuals: company logo, factory illustration, USA map highlighting Texas. Slide 2, Market Opportunity and Transfer Logic. Content: U.S. Power Cord Import Market Overview. Challenges with imports: long lead times, high inventory, variable quality, tariffs. How we solve it: local production, automated precision, fast delivery, consistent UL quality, cost. Advantage: 15 to 20%. Visuals: infographic of supply chain replacement. Bar chart: import price vs U.S. automated production price. Slide 3, Cost structure and competitive advantage. Content: cost item: imported Texas automated notes, copper high, medium low, 25% recycled copper. Reused insulation, medium local sourcing, no shipping fees, labor high, near zero human error, shipping high, zero local production, tariffs yes, zero made in USA, inventory high, low, 7-day delivery. Quality medium, very low defect, UL standard, automated. Visuals: stacked bar waterfall chart comparing costs. Highlight cost reduction 15 to 20%. Slide 4, Automation and production efficiency. Content: 8 high-speed automated lines. Zero human error production. Closed-loop copper recycling. CapEx recovery in 3 to 4 years. EBITDA stability and predictable cash flow. Visuals: line chart, CapEx vs EBITDA recovery. Icon representation of automated production lines. Slide 5, Customer value proposition. Pain point: our solution, long lead time, 7-day delivery, reduce inventory burden, inconsistent quality, UL certified, automated, near zero defect, high cost, 15-20% below import price, tariff risk, made in USA, no import duties. Visuals: icons for delivery speed, quality, cost, compliance. arrows showing transition from pain point solution customer benefit. Slide 6, Financial Model and Content, total capex, $44 million US. Funding, 26M equity 40% investors, 18M bank debt. EBITDA projections, Year 3, 10M. Year 5, 15M. Year 10, 40M. Long-term shareholder value, founders 60% $192 million US potential equity. Visuals, table of EBITDA growth. Chart for different exit scenarios. Highlight 10-year long-term industrial growth, not short-term VC flips. Slide 7, Investment Highlights Takeaways. Key points for investors, US-based manufacturing, stable cash flow and predictable supply. Automated production, high quality, fast delivery, low labor cost. Closed-loop copper recycling plus futures hedging, controlled raw material risk. Cost advantage 15 to 20%, strong import replacement potential. Founder retains majority control, long-term industrial continuity. Visuals, 4 to 5 icons summarizing highlights. Highlight import replacement plus margin stability plus fast delivery. Light bulb design notes, modern industrial look. Corporate colors, clean typography. Icons for speed, quality, recycling, cost, compliance. Charts, waterfall, line, bar charts to visualize cost and EBITDA. Below is an overview video presenting the automated manufacturing process of high-end cable production equipment operating 23 hours per day, demonstrating the integrated production workflow, system precision, and continuous operational performance. Investment rationale. Why solid-state energy starts with high-end cables. Executive overview. Solid-state energy represents the future of advanced power systems. However, throughout energy history, scalable commercialization has never begun with the end technology itself but with foundational industries that enable reliable transmission, materials development, and immediate cash flow. High-end power cable manufacturing is the essential first step in building a viable solid-state energy ecosystem. High-end cables, the cash engine of the energy industry. High-end power cables are often described as the bread of the energy industry because they offer persistent, non-cyclical demand. Broad applications across industrial systems, buildings, AI servers, data centers, and power infrastructure. Highly standardized products suitable for automation. Stable margins with short cash conversion cycles. This makes cable manufacturing one of the few energy-related industries capable of generating immediate, scalable profits. The mother industry of energy materials. High-end cable manufacturing is not merely about power transmission, it serves as the foundation of advanced energy materials. During production, critical activation elements required for graphene activation can be extracted as high-value byproducts. These elements enhance graphene's thermal resistance both high and low temperatures, improve long-term stability under extreme energy conditions, form the backbone of next-generation solid-state energy storage materials. Without high-end cable manufacturing, scalable solid-state energy materials cannot be realized. Phase 1 strategy, mature markets with high margins. Phase 1 focuses on high-margin, automated, environmentally compliant cable products, including PVC cables BV, PE-PVC cables, 600V control cables, 600V shielded control cables, XLPE PVC cable CV, high-temperature resistant power cables. Target markets include commercial and industrial computing systems, Household appliances and power cords. Industrial automation and control systems. Building power infrastructure. Power and energy equipment distributors. These are established markets requiring no subsidies and no demand creation. Automation, the scale multiplier. The competitive advantage of high-end cable manufacturing lies in automation. Operational data shows, one fully automated production line equals the output of approximately 130 skilled workers. Continuous 24/7 operation. Consistent quality and minimal waste. Drastically reduced labor costs. Margin expansion alongside capacity growth. This positions cable manufacturing as a rare energy sector industry where scale enhances profitability. Investment conclusion, a rational path to energy transformation. The success of solid-state energy is not achieved in a single leap, but through a disciplined and verifiable industrial roadmap. Establish stable cash flow through high-end cable manufacturing. Accumulate core energy material resources. Integrate solid-state energy storage and magnetic power technologies. Build a fully integrated, globally scalable energy ecosystem. This is not about starting with cables, it is about controlling the most profitable and indispensable gateway to future energy.